So alright, hello everyone. Here's a greeting from 5304 South Team, and me, Zubin Su, and my partner is Tejas. We have already implemented all functional requirements by the professor for milestone 3 and 4, and right now we have already have everything upload over here on the GitHub. And I want to do a demo video over here, just more around how to run those programs on the CS1, and we won't be able to go in very detail for each function, but we have already commented out those functions, including the parameters, input, output, and usage. Like, if you have any problem in the future, you're definitely welcome to contact me or teachers. We are really happy to help you. And as you can see over here, the GitHub almost have everything you need, but I will start to test over here. So literally, the only thing you need to do at the beginning is just download the zip file from the GitHub and kind of like the unpack it, and you get everything over here. And at this time, I want to do it more different way. So I will try to create a new folder over here. I will call it demo milestone 4, including 3, of course. And after I create that, as you can see, it's nothing over here. But before we doing anything, please make sure you update the SQL password, which from the Professor Ladin to the most latest version, so that you can guarantee everything is working correctly. And literally, the only thing I want to do is over here is just like copy and paste the file, except those folder over here, into the milestone 4 demo. Alright, cool. Everything is jumping. And then let's back to the Visual Studio Code over here. Oh, cool. So you have already got it, and everything is over here. So let's get the new terminal first. Sorry, I just wrong clicked my password. I will do it one more time. Cool. Alright, so let's jump into over here. So we have already have a make file provided, and the only thing we need to do is go into the right folder, and as we can see, we got a demo milestone 4 over here, and get every file over here. But we don't want to mess up for this folder, so we just make a directory. Let's call it data as usual. And as you can see, you have a data over here, and at the beginning, the only thing you need to do is type make. And make sure the SQL parser is up to date so that everything is run smoothly without any errors or wrong warning from that. Alright, cool. So everything is running pretty good over here, and then I will try to do some tests. Okay, of course, as usual, we test everything is okay over here. And let's jump into the project requirements over here. Just for the indexing setup module. And let's go to the milestone 3. Let's start from the milestone 3. I won't really go over everything over here, but I just more intend to saying that kind of like give a brief introduction about like if it can work like expectation or not. So let's just start from create the table. See? Is created and create a full, and then you give the arrow like our expectation and create the ooh. And as you can see over here, it come out with the different results, naming like what kind of the different arrows it may have over there. And you try to do a show tables. You got a full tables over here, and if you want to drop the table full, you're definitely welcome to do that. And you can type show table one more time. This only remains one default tables over there. And let's see this one. Yep. So everything working like the expectation for the milestone 3. For any detail want to see over here, the teachers have already made that for us. Like here, the teachers upload the three screenshot about everything. Like it have go over all the tasks over here, every task, like one by one, step by step. As you can see, the results is match the professor expectation. And let's go to the milestone 4 over there. I won't really go too far on it because it really I don't want to make this video become too large. So, okay, so I think we need one more create tables over there. Let's see if I can do a show index. So yeah, of course we haven't created any goober, so if I definitely don't have anything on that, but we can just copy and paste this part. Cool. And oh shoot, my bad. For the goober, gonna be MileStone3. As you can see over here, get XYZ, both int. GOBR X Y Z. Alright, so let's all make it int. Suppose be that's all we need. Let's try if that worked. Yeah, it worked. Okay, so let's start it and show the color from goober. Everything is like our expectation. Let's do create index. Alright, it creates successful. And try to show the index from the goober. 1, 2, B3, B3, true, true over here. 1, 2, B3, true, true. Okay, cool. It have everything is all set. And let's drop it. And just make sure if that's actually working. Yep. Alright, as you can see over here, you drop the index from the goober, and right now it's gone. Everything's gone over there. And try to create an index fx on the goober and show the index for goober. Okay, so literally I won't go into too much like one by one for those things over here. And the literally, if you want really interesting, you can definitely go test it by yourself. But that's probably all I want to show, and then I will quit. For everything else, probably you can look into, because the only thing we implement is more related to the SQL active CPPs over here. So like every functions I wrote before, the method was offered by the professor, and the credit for professor I have already marked it out. And if you are interested in how our teams implements the create index and show index and drop index, you're definitely welcome to go into our methods, and we have a usage, parameter, and return type over there. And I make some comments over here. If you are having some problem about that, you're definitely welcome to contact me, and I can give a more brief explain on that. But all the function that we need to implement, I have a usage, parameter, and return type over there. And over here, I want to specially mention there have one function over here called execute. So this step is important because we initialize as one global pointer over here, and we need to initialize as an object over here. Otherwise, it will keep throw our segmentation fault. Alright, so that's probably everything I want to go over with you. And you are definitely welcome to do that. And yeah, that's all. Thanks for the watching. And if you have anything concerns, please go to our GitHub, or otherwise just contact me through the Canvas email. Thank you so much.